everyone, thank you so much for clicking. So I thought I would organize my pantry and show you guys what it looks like. I really struggle to find small pantries or pantry videos in the UK, so I thought I'd film mine and then maybe you guys can also see, get some little tips or get some ideas. When I originally filmed the video, I forgot to make an intro, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Hi everybody, hello. The first thing we'll do is clean. So make sure everything is clean, the pantry area, whatever you're going to use, I just clean it with the basic product, nothing too fancy. Then I make a list of all the things that I have in the house that I'm going to put in the pantry. Once I've made the list of all the food, and I'm just going to figure out what size container they should go with. I got these from Amazon and they're really good because they keep your food sealed. They have like a little clickety thing, and then, you know, no air goes inside your food so your food doesn't go stale. Then I just fill up all the containers. We use this basket as a bread bin and we keep it at the back behind like peanut butter, jam, chocolate, whatever you want to put on your bread. At the top we keep our breakfast, granola, porridge, flour for pancakes. We keep the new stuff at the back and then the open stuff at the front so it's easy to reach. And then we have pasta, beans, lentils, couscous, all the good stuff. And then next to it we have sugars and then biscuits and nuts. We got fufu, potato starch, and then snacks. Then at the bottom we have our bread and bagel at the back, and then in front we have the stuff to put on the bread and bagel. Next to it we have the gari, which Clovis eats. I don't like that. Then we have our tinned food on one side, and then on the other side we have onions, garlic, and at the bottom we have plantain and rice. And that is my pantry.